Welcome to Center Computer. Today, I will show you an app that will help you create tons of things that you want online. This app is so powerful, it's so wonderful. If you want to use it personally or want to use it commercially, this is the best app that you can use. It's 20 in one app. Watch this tutorial from beginning to the end. You will understand how this app works. It's so wonderful. It's so beautiful. Let's go. So, this is the interface of this particular software application. First of all, you log in. I've logged in already using my email address and password. You can also log in with Google account or Microsoft account as well. Once you log in, you come to image to video. This is a place where you can bring the image or video that you want to transform, and you're gonna leave this what you want it to do. Give instruction. Give the prompt has to be here, and give instruction on how you want it to perform. If it is an image, what you want is to perform. What kind of way do you want? Because you're gonna change the cloth as well if you want it. Depends on what you want it to do. It's gonna do it. So write everything you need. The prompt. If you cannot do it by yourself, you can use ChatGPT. Explain to ChatGPT what you want, and ChatGPT will create prompt for you. You're gonna press the prompt here, and now you click and bring the image here. There's different models that you can use. This is A2E model. You can choose 1, 2.7, and different models give different qualities. So you're gonna test this one by one and see which one that suits your need. So once you bring the image here, then and the prompt here, you're gonna generate. So these are 5 seconds. Generating 30 points for 5 seconds. If you increase the seconds to 10, the generation points is gonna multiply. So 5 seconds is enough for a beginner who wants to do something later. And how many copies do you want? 1. If you go to 2 copies, it's going to increase it, but 1 copy is enough, because this is an application that will give you exactly what you want, because it has very high quality models integrated into this particular application. So once you put you set the image here, you press the prompt that you generated either from ChatGPT or whatever you might have typed by yourself here. So it's going to be what is going to generate for you. It can be video, it can be image. So image editor, you bring image here. Reference image optional. It's still mandatory, it's optional. You want the image that's going to bring to have a look of a particular image. That's going to be a reference image. So you're going to bring the image here, reference image. Now the image actually you want to transform is going to bring it here. Okay, and you change the cloth or the person to a red dress. These are just some example of what you can type here. Just type anything you want. You want to change the cloth of the image, you want to change the look, whatever you want, you're going to type it here, and it's going to generate it based on the preference that you brought here. If you don't have any preference, it's going to generate it based on only on the prompt that you typed here. So it is very, very, very useful software that has a lot of models that integrated into this application that will help you do a lot of things. You can see it has tons of models here and things you can use, tools you can use to generate it. And this particular application is very valid for commercial use as well. You can generate anything you want commercially and use it. Okay, for social media, YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, etc., etc. So whatever application that you want to excel with, so you're going to generate this image and take it to that take it to that social media platform after all. So any social media platform, it can generate any image or video that is going to be the same format that the social media platform accepts. So this is Lipsync video. You want to generate a video that will be talking, using your image or someone's image. I hope you see this online happening with people produce it with different kind of softwares, but this is the best among them that a lot of people don't know about, that give you high quality lip syncer that you've never seen before. So this is the option, voice clone. If it has voice clone option with 11 live and etc. different type of applications integrated into this particular app that will give you the best quality of voice clone that you want. Speech to text to speech as well. So it has tons of things that you can use with this particular application. So once you sign in first or you sign up, you're going to have 100 points as bonus, and there you go. 100 point is going to be enough for you to generate very few images or videos for the start. So, but if you want to use it for commercial, I recommend you go for upgrade and be able to create a high quality images or videos lip syncer that you want. It can generate a lot of things here. If you go through them one by one, you can see what you can do with this particular application software. It is so marvelous and very rich to use. So using this application, you wouldn't have any regret. Video A2E AI is a new application that does a lot of things that non application has ever done it online today. So sign up and make use of it. And if you want to sign up, look at the comment section description. You will see the link there, and you click on that link to sign up. Once you sign up with that link, you're going to have some bonus as well. So if this video actually is a great value to you, please subscribe and give me a thumbs up, and I'll bring you more of this video in the next future. So thank you for watching. See you later.